Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download G3730 printer driver in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to just open any browser. So once you open any browser, we're gonna search for Canon G3730 driver download and then click on enter. Once you do that, just click the first link, and then in this part, we're going to click on download. After that, let's wait for it to finish. And then once it is done, just click on show in folder, and then we're going to put this into our desktop. After that, go back into desktop, and then what we're going to do is to double click on it, and then let's wait for this to finish. And then after that, we're going to go here on the search bar and then search for printers, and then click on open. After that, just click add device, and then click on add a new device manually. After that, click on local printer, click on next, and then for the existing port, just click this and then look for a USB port. So if you see it, make sure that you choose it. So in my case, I don't have that, so I'm just gonna click on null and then click on next. After that, just choose the manufacturer right here, which is Canon. And then for this, we're going to click on have disk and then click on browse and then go here on our desktop and then just open the file, click on driver, and then you will now be able to see 4 files. So all you have to do is to just choose the one that you prefer. So let's say, for example, that we want this. So we're going to click on that and then click on OK. After that, click on next. And then after that, for the printer name, just leave it as it is and then click next again. And then after that, the printer will now be installed. So after that, just click on do not share and then click on next and then click on finish. After that, if you scroll down, you should now be able to see your printer right here. So that is basically it.